team. Look at me. Woohoo! Ready to do some painting. Not my house. My house is done. Well done. Daughter's. I already painted this. This is her bathroom. I'm going to paint her bathroom. I've already painted it once. In kind of a gold color back in the day, but you know, she's got these nice Turkish towels and they don't go with gold. So we're going to just make it white like the rest of her beautiful, beautiful apartment condo. It's going to be called Dove Wing by old Benjamin Moore. So yeah, let's get those first strokes in there, called cutting in. Bathrooms are, let's say the bad word, bathrooms are a bitch for tiny awkward spaces. Anyhow, that's what it's going to be like. It's going to be nice. Oh geez, yeah. I'm just going to do a quick slap on. She told me, don't even remove these. I was like, okay, thank you. I mean, I'm such a darn good painter that I can have to be quiet while I do it. I can get round things. Let's just say that. I can get round things. And if I hit them, I've got Mr. Wet Cloth to remove them. Right. Check back with you soon. A lot of mirrors. A lot of mirrors. Woo! That's tricky in there. Really tricky in there. And of course, when it gets hot above those lights, the paint will dry really quickly, so you gotta move fast. You don't want it glunky. That's the technical term. And I've been cutting in down the back of the door. Well, behind the door. Nope. This here's a really good idea. You know how these things keep pulling out and you have to put new anchors in? Just put a nice strip of wood and put these wherever you want them. You don't have to find a stud, you don't have to do anchors. Just make sure this is anchored into various studs, every 16 inches or what have you. And then plop those on top. Works really good. Did we do it over there? No, we didn't. Anyway, I just got that far and lunch called. So yeah, I'm gonna have a little frozen dinner. For round 2, a little weenie brush. Yeah, going for round 2 of cutting in. It's very physical. It's very, very physical doing a bathroom because it's like, where's my face? There are no end of little corners, difficult areas to get at, things to go around, toilets to go behind, especially that dang toilet. Yeah, I'll stop whining. No, oh look at me. No resting on my laurels. And my laurels are very tired. Tired laurels. Ah, got paint on my face. I'm making good progress in this little weenie bathroom. I've gone, you know, round there, round the top. I gotta go down that skinny little joint again. I just gotta do that bit and then the behind the toilet fun. So yeah, I'm not giving up. Pushing onwards. Woo woo. I will come back at it tomorrow and I will roll because I've got the cutting in done twice. So stay tuned, guys. It with this. Gonna do some rolling. Rolling on the river. Ba 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 da ba ba da da dum. Ooh ooh ooh. Oh. Okay, I'm on the edge of the toilet. No, I'm on the edge of the bathtub with a camera in one hand and a roller in the other. That is dicey business, guys. Dicey business. Okay. Let's stop taping. Well, goodness me. It's wet, but it's white. One coat. Not golden. It's very neutral. Which is what the lady wanted. Yeah. Hey, gorgeous. There you are. Really filming in the horizontal. I kind of forgot how to film. Hadn't done it for a bit. My apologies. Yeah, so yeah, it suddenly makes these tiles look pinkish, which she hates. And that bit up there, which she hates. But, you know, pull the curtain over. You know, or spray the whole thing. And this fabulous stained tub. It's a very good heavy tub. Metal. You pull that out, you're going to ruin all this tile we put in and ruin that tile and all the expenses of a plumber and a new tub to achieve what? A cheap plastic one? No, this one's good. She just needs the whole thing refinished. That's a few hundred. What the heck? Stop going to Mexico so much. There. Back for round 2 of rolling. Woohoo! Rolling on the river. And then I'll show you the complete finished results. Let's have a look. Finished product. Oh, the beautiful whiteness. Dove wing, Benjamin Moore. Yeah, not much to see when you're standing in a tiny little room. But it's better than gold, and it goes with her gray towels, which I can hang. And a pretty thing that I can't put up there because it's still damp. However, rest assured I did a good job. And I'm going to go home now. Yeah. Adios.